The basic installation principle of the Vario wall is based on a tongue and groove system that interlocks during installation. Once the first row of Vario wall units have been leveled and installed, each unit is installed using the same tongue and groove system. No hardware required, nor is it necessary to glue the units together. When installing, make sure the units are level at all times. Always install the Vario wall with the tongue facing outwards. As you can see, corner units can also be installed in the wall. To find out more about the wall's technical specifications, including maximum installation heights, please consult the Vario Wall Installation Guide on the Permacon website.